Yeah, nothing like starting a video and then your camera stops recording and tells you there may be an issue with the SD card you bought to replace the last SD card because it was having the same issue. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears to Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. I'm supposed to go to a place to eat today, and you know, I'd mentioned there was a time constraint and I had to be home by a certain time, and then the guys were nice enough to just set up a time frame that would keep me from going. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that. Okay. Shit. Oh my god. I'm out on 202 today. It's a little nipply, but any day on the motorcycle's a good day. If you like my videos, if you'd give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. I'll run this down to Suffern, and then we'll take the nice way past Ramapo College and get on 208. This is a really nice ride, but not when you get stuck behind a Prius going under the speed limit, which seems to be the theme of every Sunday ride the past couple of rides. It's crazy. I'm like, all right, I'll get a coffee in me, and I stop at the 9W Market. Completely forgot it was bikes and breakfast, so I was like, all right, I'll grab a coffee, I'll use the bathroom, I'll go. Line for the coffee, bathroom's locked. I'm like, I'm out. Peace. Then as I'm leaving, some poor guy turns the handlebars on a street glide, pops his shoulder out, and drops his bike. So we help him get it picked up. I hope you feel better, guy. I could see you're in a lot of pain, man. That sucks so bad. Next week I'll be going somewhere to get food. I've already picked the place, and I'm going to make sure to adjust my timeline and just not tell anybody else. Really is nice up here. You know, they probably took their first pit stop right now. They're getting off the bikes, they're slapping each other's asses, they're complimenting each other on their cowboy boots and assless leather chaps they wore today. My channel's name is Gears to Snore, but you can call me Chud Nelson. Oh, Jesus, what did you do, sir or ma'am? What did you do? You just entered Suffern. And again, this is 202 West. How about that? How about that, friends? It's really friggin' nice up here. You see the horses. Hopefully they're out. Got old Vinny Goombats and Fat Tony the horse, and little Gazpacho the retarded donkey. You guys want to hear a joke? What do gay horses eat? Hey! What a stupid joke. Think she knows we're getting this on video? Bring your windshield down, hand going, singing along, living the dream, baby. Park's over here on your right. It's oh, I'm sorry, it's up here on the right where she's going. Ramapo Valley Reservation. Huh. Now we're gonna get into some nice curves. There's a house up here. There used to be, I don't know if the guy still has it, but like he had an airplane on his property, single propeller. Pretty cool. Must be nice to have gates to get into your house money. And more from our ongoing theme of cars not going the speed limit. That brings me to an important topic, friends. Do you know that 1 in every 10 men don't know where the gas pedal is? That's right, they don't know when to apply gas, when to accelerate, or when to get the hell out of the way. But you, friends, you can help them for just 99 cents a day. For just 99 cents a day, you can get them lessons on how to apply gas and when to apply more. If you can help, won't you please?
Diabetes.
I don't care. I'm on my motorcycle, shifting between 3rd and 4th. Oh, he's going. I think he heard me. Oh, it's a Christmas miracle without a directional. Look at these corners, huh? It's something to write home about, I tell you. Do you ever wonder why my videos are all over the place? It's because I don't pre-plan anything. This is all in the moment. There's a bike for sale up here, right after Bear Swamp Road. That's where the swamp bear lives. Old BMW, I think that's a GS. We went to, was it Cross Country Cycles in Metuchen yesterday for my friend to get his bike out of storage. That place is friggin' evil. I was like, all right, look, if I get another job, I can have 2 more motorcycles. And they had this friggin' Triumph Scrambler in there. It was awesome. This Royal Enfield, it was a 650. I forgot what model. Man, it was awesome. And of course they had upstairs is BMW and Ducati. I was like, oh. They had a K1600, what is it, Grand America or something? What a friggin' bike, man. The seat looked like it was so comfortable. I need contacts. I swore that brown bag was a Chewbacca mask first. I should say I need newer contacts. Oh, for the love of God, will you just turn down the street already? So I think next week, I'm eyeing up 3 places to go eat. I have to see, the temperature looks like it's going to be in the 60s. So I'm either thinking about Christine's Kingfish Barbecue in Shahola, New Jersey. Possibly the Andover Diner for breakfast. Or there was another one I was looking at. Captain something Wharfside in Point Pleasant. I used to go there as a kid, man. That place is great. I'll probably do my usual fast through breakfast and eat something good for lunch. This is normally a nicer ride if you're not stuck behind this. It's the joys of living in an overly congested area. Oh good, I think the Toyota's going slower than the Jeep. I have no idea what the hell that name is. It just looks cool. I see an old car, I want to go. But if you made it this far, in another video where I once again get stuck behind cars going under the speed limit, it's a new series on the Gears of Snore channel. Season 3. Drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday, and if you'd be kind enough to come back next week, I'd appreciate it. Take care, guys.